In this video, we are going to do Unit 3, Education and Employment, writing tasks 3 and 4. Before that, let's take a look at the objectives. So in this unit, you will learn how to describe different types of data, describe changes in numbers, and use prepositions with numbers. The focus of today's tasks, 3 and 4, is to build your vocabulary related to graphs and charts, and also to introduce you to the different types of sentence structures that you will use while reporting a graph or a chart. Look at task 3. So what does the task require you to do? Read the instruction. So you've got a list of verbs in the infinitive, and you need to fill in the table with the past simple forms and the past participle forms. You're familiar with these words from level 2. They're very simple, actually. And you may even know the past simple forms and the past participle forms. If you don't know, refer to your dictionary and complete this task on Moodle. Let's move on to task 4. Task 4 introduces you to the sentence types that you need to use in your graph writing. So use the correct verb or noun form of one of the words from above to complete the sentences about the table. So this is a table with information, with figures, numbers. Yeah. So look at the table carefully. You've got period of time in this column and the number of new entrants to teacher training program, primary teacher training program in this side, in this column. You need to fill in the sentences with the correct verb or noun form. In level 2, you've learned noun phrases and verb phrases. Yeah, but here they're asking you to just write a word in the noun form or in the verb form. Okay, so let me show you a PowerPoint to explain this in detail. Look at this table. I've put some verbs in the infinitive form here. This is just a sample. You need to add to this list. Okay, this is just a sample. So increase in the infinitive form and the past simple form is increased. Fall, fell. It's an irregular verb. Drop, dropped with a double P because it's got a consonant, vowel, and consonant ending. CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant ending. Decline, declined. Regular verb. Grow, grew. Irregular verb. So you can see infinitives and their past simple forms here. On the other side, the same word is used in its noun form. So the noun form of increase is increase, but it takes an article, a or an increase, a fall, a drop, a decline, a growth. So in all these words, the noun form is the same as the infinitive form. But when you look at the last word, grow, grew, and the noun form changes to growth. Look at this sentence. The number of COVID-19 cases dash during the period between January and February. It's finish time, yeah? Yes. So you need to use the past tense, but you need to first look at what type of sentence is it. It is, yeah? Let me fill in the answer first. The number of COVID-19 cases increased during the period between January and February. What type of sentence is it? It starts with the subject. What's the subject? The number of COVID-19 cases. This is the subject. So I filled in the verb that matches the tense form of the sentence. I looked at the time expression and then I understood that it's in the past tense. Most charts and graphs are in the past tense. So I filled in with the past simple form of the verb. Okay. So what type of sentence requires a verb, a sentence that starts with the subject, yeah, and then followed by a verb, followed by other information. Take a look at this sentence. There was dash in the number of COVID-19 cases during the period between January and February. It's the same sentence, but I've changed the structure of the sentence. So there was, it starts with there was. So what, there's a be verb here. Yes. So a be verb is usually followed by what? Salalah is beautiful. Salalah is a beautiful city. Is the be verb. A beautiful city. So it's usually followed by a noun or an adjective and noun. So they're asking you for what type of word form you will use. So there was an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases. So take a look at the structure of the sentence. There was, there were, it's followed by the article, a or an, and the noun and other information. So for subject, verb, other information type of sentence, SVO type of sentence, we use the verb form, the past simple of the verb. For a sentence that starts with there was or where the verb is a be verb, then we use the noun form of the word. Okay. All right. Now take a look at these sentences. Try to understand the structure of the sentence and also look for the time phrase. Okay. And fill in the gaps with the correct form of the word, verb or noun. Log into your Moodle page and complete this task. This is the end of this video.